Hello, today I am going to mention to you about the digital workflow we implement in our clinic. In our fully digitalized world, the digital dentistry has surpassed traditional dentistry because of the technical advancement. This transition provides us with new treatment method and faster treatment completion. Here is the workflow used for all prostheses in our dental aesthetic clinic. First of all, 3D scan of prepared teeth is taken. Secondly, this scan is designed in 3D using a design program. In this design, the most suitable tooth types for the patient's smile and character are used. Our goal is to make the prosthesis as functional and aesthetic as possible for you. Then, if necessary, temporary teeth can be made with 3D printers. Or your zirconia and glass ceramic teeth can be produced directly with our 3D milling machine. Happy smile!